In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in and zoom out like YouTuber MrBeast in Adobe Premiere Pro in less than 2 minutes. Okay, so to get started, locate the clips under your project file bin that you want to use. In this case, I have 2 clips that are cut up into 4 different segments. Notice that this is the video that MrBeast has. It's about to experience the scariest moment of his life. Seal him up. You have to survive 10 minutes with it. As you can see, MrBeast zooms in, zooms out, zooms in, and zooms, and has a rotate. Now, in order to achieve that effect, we go to our first clip by clicking the clip on the timeline, and then go under to Effects Control, and clicking the up arrow on the timeline to go to the beginning. And then you want to click Position and Scale, so it's color blue. If you want to zoom in at the end of the video, then go at the end of the video, or click down on the arrow key, and click left. So it goes to the very end, 1 frame, and then go under Effect Control, click Motion, and move this to the right, click Motion, and then click on the video under Program, and now it is zooming in. If you want the fast zoom in effect, then what you can do is click under here, under the Effects Control, Control A, and click X or backspace to delete. Position and scale is still on, but instead you move 5 frames, so click on the timeline and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or using your right arrow key, click on the clip, go back to Effect Controls, and then scale this in. Let's say 150, click the down arrow and then left to go to the end of the clip, and scale it. So now we have an effect like this. The same thing can be applied on this clip. If you want to zoom out, you click the video clip, you click Position and Scale. Make sure they're color blue, and we have blue right here. Click the down arrow and click the left arrow to go to the end of the video clip. But in this case, you want to zoom out, so the beginning of the clip, we zoom in, and at the end of the clip, zooming out. So this is the before, and this is the after. Now on this video clip where the roller coaster is going down, we can apply the zoom in and the rotate. So go under Effects Control, click Motion, make sure everything is checkmarked, Position, Scale, and then Rotation. For this effect to work the best, you want to make sure the video is already zoomed in, because when we click the rotation, we move it to the left or the right. Notice how it moves accordingly. So I'm going to zoom this in to 130. We have a -9 rotation. We go to the end of the video clip and then to the left. And then I'm going to make this -20. And then we'll zoom in a little bit more. And this is the before. And this is the after. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more free video editing tutorials in Adobe Premiere Pro or other video editing tutorials, subscribe to the channel.